What's going on, you guys? Today I'm gonna be doing a complete setup, my walkthrough for 2025. Everything that I have in here I've used for years. It's helped me really create the best videos possible. So from the clippers, from the lighting, from everything, I'll be breaking everything down from scratch. Let's break this down really quick. So I'm gonna be breaking down my lighting first and foremost. If you guys don't have clean lighting, it's gonna be really hard for you guys to create content. So here I have these wall mounts right here with my newer SL60W. I'm gonna leave every single product that I have on this video, I'm gonna leave it down below in the description. So these are the box lights that I use. Notice I don't have any ring lights. I'll walk over here. The same thing goes, another one, and notice how they're positioned. This is almost like 45 degrees and they're tilted down. And I have this Lume Cube light that I like using for showcases, and I can move these around as well. I like that. So you get some versatility, and you can't forget these hexagon lights here on the top. So it's very important that you guys have lighting at the top. So another little secret weapon that I like using, I call this my showcase light. So anytime that I have a client here and I want to really make my haircut pop, I always go in with this light and I put it in places where maybe these lights won't create that much brightness. I can create some more contrast with this light. Very important, you guys want to mount it and twist it on top of a tripod. This chair right here, you guys can find it on Amazon. It's like maybe like $1,000. This little IVac thing that I use for just cleaning up and just, you know, it's like a little vacuum, and just brush the hair. Click that button, the hair goes there. So as far as my lighting and the things I use for creating content, this is the tripod that I like to use with the gooseneck attachment. Put my phone here and I'm ready to record content. So now that you guys kind of got a clear picture of what I use to create content, my lighting and everything, I'm gonna break down what I use as far as for cutting. So I'll go through the clippers really quick from here right to left. For starters, my Barber Pro FX clippers. This is just for like bulk removal. I don't really use this for blending, but these are pretty powerful. And I'll leave all of the links in the description underneath the video. And I'll also include the pricing on these. This is not a budget video. This is gonna be for if you're really serious about barbering. This is another one of my favorite clippers, JRL Onyx. I like how it keeps track of how much battery life it has. And honestly, like when I cut with these, it doesn't really feel like much. It's like really light, and you know, it's really good for bulk removal, setting guidelines, but I don't use this to blend. To blend, I love these. You guys can hear when it cuts, watch. I love that, because you can always check to see if you're cutting, if you're blending, you know, it's not that loud. And this is my workhorse when it comes to my blending. I honestly haven't tried these, but they're brand new and I can't wait to try them. They feel kind of similar to these. We have to wait and see. And shout out to Filthy Blends. He sent me this Andis GTX modified with this blade. I can't wait to use these. A lot of people say that they love them. They're super sharp, and I'll let you guys know, you know, my next couple tutorials on what I feel about these, but I already know these are gonna be hitters. My bulk removal, these are old, they sound beat up, but I love them. Shavers, I just barely got these. Barber Pro. Barber has the best shavers. Honestly, you can't go wrong with them. Obviously, this is, you can't go wrong with the Singular Shaver by Stylcraft. These are amazing. We got some Cool Care, clipper side, I mean, products. We got some Curl Mousse by Shear Moisture. I don't know what this is, but I have it on my station. There's some Curl Love by Camo Rose. This is gas right here, all natural, some talc powder. The go-to Slick Gorilla for texturizing powder. This is fire. And my blow dryer, Fabulous. You know, you can't go wrong with these. I also have this one for backup, gas. So you can't go wrong with any of these. I have also backup clippers here, like I mentioned. I did have these, but this thing has been kind of just getting jammed at the bottom. Babyless, come on. These are backups. Got the curl sponge and some extra fiber. So that's kind of like my miscellaneous drawer. And over here, these are my combs. So YS Park comb, get these combs, they're the best in the game. YS Park for my clipper over comb. I like using kind of like colored combs because you can see through the hair. Use this or use white ones or bright colors. For straight razors, you know, the regular. And then I also like using an exposed razor. I don't have my Turkish razor here. Got this little duster and my compressor for enhancements. You need a compressor. The wireless compressors, honestly, I've wasted so much money on them. You don't want them, just use this. This is the best one. This is gas, the enhancement card. And honestly, I wouldn't want to recommend you guys anything else besides this. I'm pretty sure there's other better things in the market, but to me, you order it on Amazon, it comes to you straight, and you know, it's just effective. $2.45. Get the dark brown and then just get the black, and then I mix both together. Those are my enhancements, and then I have these pencils as well. $2.45, the white one, and we got this other color with the black pencil as well. I like kind of just experimenting with all of them. I don't want to you know, stick to one, so I just mix and match. Topic, old school Topic, fibers, you guys need them. We got aftershave, the water bottles, hairspray, and my guards over here. Where are my guards? 1.5, half guard. These are my pins when I use when I cut long hair. These butterfly combs, I think that's what they're called, butterfly attachments. I'm not even sure. These are my workhorses right here. The Hanzos, shears, thinning shears. I also like using cheaper thinning shears as well. I have some faded culture ones that also work a little bit better in my opinion because, you know, you have just more room for error. So thinning shears are more forgiving, but if you have the real legit ones like Hanzo's, you know, one little chop, you're gonna poke a hole through somebody. For styling, we got Statement, Slick Gorilla, Pasinos. And also, I mean, I have like backup trays where I have like travel case in case I do a house call. I have an extra case of clippers, and I just throw all my miscellaneous tools at the bottom. I have an extra blow dryer here just in case. But as far as my whole setup, that's it. And turning around my camera over here, there's a couch. In here, this is where I have all my gear, my camera gear. I have my laptop. I have this old Sony a7 III, G Master 16 or 35. I'm using my mic, which is the mics that I have on right here. DJI Pro 2, I just bought these. I'm filming with the FX3, and I have another camera, the Sony EZV-1. I have my iPhone here with another monitor and a little portable battery that's gas. That's all I got for you guys today. This is my complete setup for 2025. Don't be cheap, guys. This video is really not intended to motivate you to buy everything in here, but if you feel like you lack something and it'll benefit you with your setup, I'm gonna leave some links down below in the description where you guys will be able to buy it. If you guys can't see the links and you guys can't find the products, let me know down below in the comment section. I do have a free academy, which is the Preschool of Barbering, where you guys will be able to just learn how to become a barber from scratch. There's videos organized in there. If you guys feel like you guys are already barbers and you guys need more gems, I have 2 other academies. One is the School of Barbering, where you guys will be able to learn how to just make 6 figures. And I have the Elite School of Barbering, where you guys will be able to get help from me, Los Cuts, Ken, Ivan the Great, and you guys will get support on how to become barbers that are making 10K plus a month. So if you guys liked the video, let me know down below. Like for more videos and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week for more content. Peace, guys.